Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start off by saying I sound very nasally because I have a cold. Anyways, as you can see, my room is looking so cute. I need to clean it. Like, it's gone on too long, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I don't really want to do this, but it has to get done. So the first thing I need to do is put all of my clothes together because I need to go through them before I put them away. But that might be a whole other video in itself. Oh my gosh.
Well, you already have the ball teed up, son. Might as well hit it.
What is going on? What else is down here? Fun fact, I actually used to really hate cleaning my room, but now I really find it kind of relaxing, and it also makes me feel really productive. Looks nice now. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. Okay, bye.